Good morning, welcome to Monday's maths lesson. Today we're going to recognise pounds and pence. So I've put the symbol for pounds up and I've put the symbol for pence up too. So it'd be helpful if you could go and hunt around your house to see if you can bring back some coins that you might find helpful in today's lesson and over the next week as we learn about money. Pause the video and go and find some coins. Right, now you've got your coins. Let's make a start on our lesson today.
So what's the big picture? We're learning about money because in life there will be things that we need and want to buy, and it's important that we understand the value of these and how we can spend our money and also save our money. This is our checkpoint. True or false? £5 can only be made using a note. Pause and discuss. That's right, it's false. We can make £5 using coins as well. Today, we're going to explore the coins that we could use to make different amounts. This is our turn. Let's count the money. Let's look at number 1. We can see there are 4 20p's. Let's count in 20s. 20, 40, 60, 80. We think there'll be 80p for number 1. Let's try number 2. 20 add 10 is 30. So we've got 30p. Let's count in our 2s then. 32, 34, 36. Add on one more is 37. 37 pence. I'd like you to pause the video and have a go at questions 3 and 4. Then come back to find the answers. Well done if you got £20 for number 3. 10 add 5 makes 20. And we can see that those are notes. They are pounds. £20. And our last one was £10. Let's have a look at this question together. Which of these represent £14? Pounds. Now, it says which of these. That tells me that it could be more than one answer. Let's look at the first one together. 10 add 4 ones. Well, that's 14. So surely that's £14. Am I right? No, because 10p add 4 1p's is 14 pence, not pounds. Pause the video and see if you can work out which group of coins shows £14. Let's have a look. Here are our answers. We can see the £10 note and the 4 £1 coins makes £14. We can also see that we've got our £2 coins. Let's count in 2s together to check it makes 14. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. £14. At the bottom we can see a £10 note and a £5. Well, a 10 add 5 makes 15, so that's £15, which is why it was wrong. And then in the bottom right-hand corner we can see we've got a pound and 4 10p's. What does that show? That's right, it shows £1.40, not 14.
So this is my turn then. So we've got the characters Leon, Little Mo and Pete. And they've all been to the circus and spent their money. And this is the money that they've left with. So I need to work out who has the most and who has the least amount. So just having a quick look, I actually think Pete has the least because he's only got 1, 2, 3 coins. But actually, Little Mo and Leon have more coins. So I think my prediction is he's going to have the least. What do you think? Do you agree with what I've said or do you disagree? Interesting ideas. So let's have a look together. We'll start with Leon. Now we can see Leon has a 20p, 5, 5, 5 and a 20p. So I'm going to think how I'm going to add these together first. I'm going to add my two 20s together. What do two 20s make? That's right, 40. Is it £40 or pence? Well done, it's pence. These are our coins for pence. So I've got 40 pence here. And then I've got 2 5s. What do 2 5s add together to make? That's right, 10p. And I've got another 5p left. So actually, if I was to add all of those amounts together, 40 add 10p makes 50, add 5 makes 55 pence. So I'll put equals 55 pence, and I've got my symbol for pence there. Right, let's have a look at little Mo next. Now I can see this coin is worth 2 pence, 20 pence, 10 pence and 1 pence. So to start with, I'm going to add up my silver coins first as my strategy to help myself. 20 add 10. What's 20 add 10? That's right, thanks for your help, it's 30p. So I'll put 30p here. Then I've got my 2 pence and my 1 pence, which makes 3 pence, well done. And I add those two amounts together to get the total of 33 pence. So far Leon has the most and little Mo has the least. She has less than Leon. Let's check Pete, because I thought he would have the least amount. Let's have a look. So we've got £1, £2 and £2. They're pounds, aren't they? And a pound has a greater value than a pence. So I know that 2 add 2 would be £4. Add on my extra £1 equals £5. And I use my pound symbol. So actually, even though there's less coins, Pete had the most money and little Mo had the least. So it's really important that we look at the value of the coins, not just how many coins there are or the size of the coins, because I know that £1 equals 100 pence. So I haven't even got a pound for little Mo or Leon because I haven't got to 100 pence yet. Right, let's move on to our next question. Right, for our next question, we need to work out how much Fizzlebert has for his pocket money. So we've got all of the coins that he has saved for doing the jobs around the circus. Now, at the moment, I think they're quite difficult to count because they're all sort of jumbled up together, because I've got a £2 coin here, a penny, 20p over here. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to organise the coins a little bit more to help myself. I'm going to put the coins worth a pound or more over here, and my coins which are worth the pennies over here, okay, to help myself. That's better. Now I can see them more clearly. So I'm going to have a look to see how many pounds I've got first of all. So I've got £2, add a pound, makes £4. So I'm going to put that here, £4. Let's have a look at the pennies. Now you can see I've put the silver coins here and the copper coins here, just again to help myself. So I can see I've got 20, another 20 and another 20, which makes 60. Let's count together just to check. 20, 40, 60. I'm going to keep 60 in my head. I've then got a 10p to add on. 60 add 10 is 70. Well done. So I've got 70 pence. And then I've got a 2. 70 add 2 is 72. And I've got 2 ones. So we've got 72, 73, 74. So to write that, I put that here. I'd put 74 pence. Now, I want to put those numbers together, £4 and 74 pence. Have a think, does it look right if I put it up here? £4, I have to have a decimal point, 74 pence. Doesn't quite look right. When I use a pound sign and my decimal point, I then don't need my pence sign at the end. Okay, I'll explain what the decimal point means later on in the week. But we've got £4 and 74 pence in Fizzlebert's pocket money.
It's your turn. Listen carefully to your chili challenges, and then when you've finished, come back to the video to check your answers. For chili 1 today, I'd like you to match the amounts as are equal. This will be sent as a parent mail, so you can choose to print it off or you can choose to look at it whilst it's on the screen. Also for chili 1, I'd like you to work out how much money each person has. I'd then like you to have a go as a challenge at this true or false statement. The smaller coin is worth less. For chili 2 and chili 3 today, I'd like you to have a go at solving how much money is shown. This will be emailed out to you, or you can have a go at writing this in your book. For your challenge, Amir has 5 different coins in his wallet. What is the greatest amount of money he could have in his wallet, and what is the least amount of money? For Chili 3 today, I'm expecting you to have a go at this problem-solving activity. Read it carefully. I'd like you to mark your work to self-assess your achievements today.